Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to show you how using AI you can change something on a graphic maybe somebody made for you. For example, I'm changing this to 7 strategies and it was 6 strategies, so I want to save this graphic. So I have this graphic on my computer, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to change this 6 to a 7. So please take this graphic and change the number 6 to the number 7 and don't change anything else. So I'll click Add Files, Add Photos, and I'm finding the image on my computer and I'm clicking Open, and we'll have it do it. Now it's thinking. So what's really convenient about this is maybe you had a graphic designer make it for you a long time ago, or an assistant, and you don't have that person working with you anymore. You can't remember where the original files were if you made it. So it is really convenient to have AI make these little changes for you. And it can take time, so I'm just going to wait. And it did it. It changed the 6 to a 7. Let's click. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, I could ask it to change the font. So maybe I'll make that other small adjustment. So please make the font larger. All right, so now I'm asking it to just make this larger, and let's see what it comes up with. And so now it's going to create the image. So I'm going to wait while it does this. I'll probably pause the video. All right, while I paused the video, I turned on my circle cursor. So, yeah, I think that's pretty good. Now when you start getting into noodling, you might wind up not having luck. I'd rather have the whole sentence a little bit over to the left. So I'm going to now tell it, I mean, I could always stick with this original. So I'm going to say, looks good. I'm just guessing 70 pixels. So please move the sentence 70 please move the whole sentence and don't change anything else. And let's see what happens. And it's working on it, so just be patient while it does it. And I have the paid version of ChatGPT. The free version is supposed to let you do this as well, but it might not let you do as many iterations. Okay, now it looks like it changed the color. Let me see if it changed anything else. So it might be an illusion. It's possible that the color changed. So let me click the little X. You have to decide how much you want to go back and forth with it. I think it looks better moving it over, though this color is a little bit dark. So I might just stick with this, or I could ask it to change the color slightly. So I'm going to pick this color and color picker panel. I think I'm going to go up a little bit. All right, so this is with the ColorZilla Chrome extension, but you could pick a color in a different way. And I'll click on OK, and let's see how it does. Please change anything else. All right, let's see what happens. Now, sometimes when I ask it to do these other iterations, sometimes it does well, sometimes it doesn't. And then I get to decide, do I want to keep going back and forth with it, or do I just live with what it gave me, right? So it's saving me time, but the more I ask it to make changes, then the more it can take extra time. What's key is telling it not to change anything else, because sometimes if you don't, it will randomly come up with other ideas, right? So it's adding the final touches. All right, so this I think reads a little bit better. So I'm going to decide which one I like better. So here, I just opened this in a new window. Here's what I have before. Here's what I have now. I think I like the red better, but I can always save both. So now I'll click on this and I'll click download and I'll give it a new name. And I don't want to do this now, so I'll click X. So that is how you use ChatGPT. You can probably use other tools. This is the tool I'm using to change what you had before to something else. So it's really convenient to make these little tweaks without having to go back to your graphic designer, or maybe you don't have the original files. And then I will then replace it into my blog post. This is Christina Hills.